In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change form fonts in Jotform. If you've ever felt the need to give your form a facelift by customizing its font, then you've come to the right place. Let's dive in and take it one step at a time, ensuring that by the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to effortlessly select and apply your preferred font to any Jotform form. First things first, open up your preferred web browser and search for Jotform. Once you've accessed the official Jotform website, go ahead and log in using your credentials. It's important to remember that you'll need to have an account to follow along effectively, so if you haven't set one up yet, now's the time to do so. After successfully logging in, the next step is to open the form that you'd like to edit in the Jotform Form Builder. This is the place where all the magic happens, providing you with the tools you need to customize and refine the look and feel of your forms. Once you have the form open in the Form Builder, direct your attention to the right side of the page, where you'll see an icon that looks like a paint roller. This is your form designer. By clicking on this paint roller icon, you'll open up a suite of design options that allow you to modify various aspects of your form. With the form designer now open, you'll want to click on the Styles tab. This tab is crucial for tweaking the visual style of your form, and it's here that you'll find the option to change your font. Now scroll down within the Styles tab until you locate the drop-down menu labeled Font. This is the menu that allows you to select from a variety of fonts that Jotform offers. Browse through the available options and click on the font that best suits your needs and style preferences. Whether you're going for something modern and sleek or classic and professional, Jotform provides a solid range of choices to cater to your design vision. As you make your selection, one of the great features of Jotform to keep in mind is its automatic saving functionality. This means that as you adjust and make changes within the form designer, Jotform is automatically saving your modifications. This feature takes away the worry of losing your carefully crafted design changes. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated through the steps to change the fonts in your Jotform form. With these tools and knowledge at your disposal, feel free to experiment and see how different fonts can change the overall communication and impression that your form conveys. Thank you for tuning in, and happy